Here is a step-by-step detailed solution to the "can't update WhatsApp" problem. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. If you are using cellular data, try switching to Wi-Fi, or vice versa. You can also try restarting your router or modem. Method 2. Clear the Google Play Store cache and data. This will refresh the App Store and may help resolve the issue. To clear the Play Store app cache and data, long press on Play Store. Then click on App Info. Then click on Force Stop. Then go to Storage Cache. Then click on Clear Cache. Then click on Clear Storage. Method 3. Restart your device. This can often fix minor software glitches that may be preventing WhatsApp from updating. Method 4. Make sure your device has enough storage space. WhatsApp needs a certain amount of free storage space to update. If your device is running low on storage space, try deleting some unused apps or files. Method 5. Update your device. If you are using an older version of Android or iOS, try updating it to the latest version. This may fix compatibility issues that are preventing WhatsApp from updating. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. If you have tried all of the above steps and WhatsApp is still not updating, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Method 7. Contact WhatsApp support. If you are still having problems updating WhatsApp, you can contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Additional tips. 1. Make sure you are using the official WhatsApp app from the Google Play Store or App Store. 2. Try updating WhatsApp using a different network connection, such as public Wi-Fi or a friend's data connection. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to TechSoar.